Hi guys, let's see what I got from Nika Pink Love sale this time and let's see what I got. Okay, so first of all, I will like to show you these products that I got. These are all are from K Beauty. First, I restocked on my favorite foundation, which is K Beauty, this illuminating hydrating foundation, I guess. So I have very dry skin, and they have, I guess, updated the packaging. Previous one was very simple. Now I love this golden cap. It gives luxury, which I totally love. And they have this K symbol also, I guess, logo on the top. And I got it for rupees 800 or something, 890 something. Basically, in normal days it retails for rupees 1200, so I guess 900 rupees is worth it. It's I have fair skin tone, so I got the lightest shade. So if you have skin tone like me, and if you want the coverage should be high, then I don't think so this is the product for you. I have acne, but I still like this sheer coverage on my face. I don't like that heavy coverage, so I prefer this one, and it is very hydrating, so I love it. And even if you like this one and you want coverage, I think you can pair it up with concealer or mix it up with some other high coverage foundation to get that perfect consistency. Next, I got this powder. This is first time I'm getting this. I got it for rupees 590 something. So like still figuring out how to open it. So yeah, it comes with this zoom in mirror, which is very cool. And the shade I'm using is 100N, which is the lightest shade for fair skin tone. Previously, I was skeptical like if I should buy it or not. Only drawback I feel is like this does not come with any sponge or any applicator, so it is difficult to apply it. But if I guess I will use some brush or something, so you can see it is very blendable. I'm easily to blend. It is very easy to blend in. It will definitely help you mattify your skin or remove those pores, I guess. So yeah, totally a good deal. I like it. So if you're looking for found this a bit okay, then let's move to the next thing, which is a lipstick. So I'm very happy I got it for free. This lipstick was free above on the article above 1,000 or something. So basically I got it for free, and I'm very happy. The shade is also cute. It is not smudge proof, so if someone is smudging it, it will definitely most of the lipstick I feel are not smudge proof. But yeah, it is totally worth it. It is like really good. Basically it retails for rupees 600 something, and if you're getting it for free, that's totally worth it. And next I got this House of Makeup tint. It has SPF 25, and it is really bad. The packaging is always leaking. I got it after I was very skeptical. I saw many reviews from many good influencers. Still, all I can say that this is very bad. I do not like it at all. Don't buy it. Don't fall for the trap. I don't know. It is not good. I did not like it. Consistency is bad. After applying, my face looks darker. So next thing I purchased this L'Oreal serum, which is my favorite. I broke last bottle, and I will not break this one. Yeah. And next I got this concealer, which is also from Maybelline, and this is in lightest shade, fair, I guess, fair 1 or 0. And I love this concealer. This was the first concealer I ever used, and I guess this is going to the last concealer I will be using because it is that good. I totally love it. Like you can see, it hides my all my blemishes, acne marks, scar, everything. So I love it. And then this is a very cute thing that I got from the sale. It retails for 196. These are small sponges that you can fit in your finger, and then you can apply like concealer or foundation from it. I tried it and it really works better than my fingers, so I definitely love this one. Yeah, this is a must buy. You should also get it. And it comes in this small cute box as well, which is set of 6 you're getting for rupees 196. I guess that's good. That's good. So let's move to the next thing, which is this body lotion from Plum. I totally love it. Smell is really good, and it is very hydrating. And yeah, it is. I stocked on it. So the next thing is my favorite, which is this L'Oreal Hyaluron Pure. Uh, this shampoo, I've been using it since more than a month. I think my hair fall decreased after using it. I am not an influencer, so I can give you reviews. I can feel my hair looks better, more manageable, and it cleans my scalp. That is the main thing, and I love it. And totally, you should buy it. And in sale, I got for it rupees 700, which is a steal deal. So yeah, definitely buy it. Definitely get it. So these are all the products that I got from sale, and I'm very happy about this purchase, and you guys should also buy something from this sale, as the prices are very low than usual. And yeah, that's all